Is using a Chevrolet cateye still good in 2024? We'll find out. While it may seem old, it really isn't. And it's a great off-roader, no matter if it's in two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. It's not that bad of an accelerator either. I'll let you listen to the exhaust. It's a decent rock crawler, as demonstrated here. And sure, it may not have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but you can get that in by an external manufacturer. Safety was also good for its time in 1999 or 2000. The Gavril Salvador. Should you use it in 2024 when it was made in 2000? Yes, because it's safe, reliable, and powerful. Subscribe.